This is the MHUB 4x4 100A. We describe it as a smart home hub cleverly disguised as a matrix. I'm going to quickly tell you what makes this product so special and how it can help you create a whole new type of smart space experience. Here are 4 reasons why this 4x4 MHUB is so darn amazing. 1. The 4 zonal display outputs support 18 gig 4K up to distances up to 100 meters using HDBaseT and our tipping point compression. We have almost all residential and commercial applications covered with that range. 2. Every display output can downscale 4K to 1080p, so no problems managing a mix of new and older displays in your project without hassle or sacrificing performance. 3. 4 optical and analog audio outputs for easy integration with our own MZMA multi-zone matrix amplifier or third-party power amplifiers, because each analog output also includes a volume control from U-Control, our free and powerful control system, which takes us neatly to 4, U-Control Inside. This MHUB includes our latest and most powerful operating system yet, which means not just seamless control over the AV system, but also integration with IP-based systems. So, how can this MHUB help you create a new level of smart space experience? Well, as always, HD Anywhere MHUBs have excellent integration with the world's leading control brands, with some of the best drivers in the business. But what if you don't have the need for all that control power, or simply don't have the budget for an all-singing and dancing system? With U-Control Inside, this new MHUB controls not just the AV experience in every room, but can also control smart lighting systems from Rayco, Lutron, Shelly, Hue, and KNX, smart window treatment systems from Silent Bliss, and smart power distribution systems from Good and Netio. Multi-room media, music, and mood from this MHUB, and all without a control system and the additional cost and complexity those often bring. We aim to be the masters of everyday smart home or smart space experiences because we believe that smart starts with AV, like watching TV or listening to music, and extends to lighting and possibly window treatment. In other words, the technologies you interact with every day. The new MHUB 4x4 100A, perfect for modern smart homes, pubs, offices, and more. Visit hdanywhere.com for more information and come find out how we neaten your spaces and improve your relationship with your technology.